Baddha Konasana, bound ankle pose. This pose has a lot of benefits. It increases circulation to the pelvic region. It's great for urinary problems, and it's also really good for pregnancy. It helps with the delivery process if you practice it every day for just a few minutes. So I'll start in Dandasana, staff pose. And since I am pregnant, I have my feet apart, but if you're not pregnant, your feet will be together. So in Dandasana, I press my legs down and my hands down and lift my spine up. I roll my shoulders back and down to lift the chest. Then I grab the inner side of my knee and bring my foot closer in, heel towards the perineum. I turn the inner thigh out, and this opens the back of the knee and helps open the hip. I do that on the opposite side. So because my knees are slightly lifted, I'm on some height as well as being pregnant, but if your knees come easily to the floor, you can be off the height. So just like in Dandasana, I press my legs down and my hands down and lift my spine up. I press the feet and move from the inner groin to the inner knee and from the outer knee to the outer hip to open the hips more. And then I roll my shoulders back and down to lift the chest. I look forward and continue to press the feet to pose and repose. Then you can stay there for a few minutes at home, but to come out of the pose, I bring one foot forward and then the other. Namaste.